What's up, guys? So I'm pretty excited today because if you can see these parts behind me, I'm building my first ever gaming PC. I've owned MacBooks in the past, Windows laptops. I had a family PC growing up, but nothing as powerful as this. I'm going to be playing games on it such as Destiny, Warhammer Total War, PUBG. It's going to be able to tackle those games with ease, and I'm sure I'll get some insane frame rates on esports titles like Overwatch and CSGO. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the parts. So for the power supply, I went with an EVGA 750 watt 80 plus bronze. It's a little bit overkill for what I need, but it's a solid power supply. It's semi-modular. It should last me a long time. And you always hear people say don't cheap out on the power supply, so I felt, going a little bit overkill is a safe bet. So for the motherboard, I got an MSI B350 Tomahawk. There's nothing too flashy about this motherboard. It's your standard AM4 socket motherboard. Supports Crossfire if I want to do that in the future. But hey, it's VR ready. Had to slap that on the box in big letters, didn't they? Right? Anyway, I'm going to be pairing that with a Ryzen 5 1600X. 6 cores, 12 threads of awesome. To cool that, since it doesn't come with its own cooler, I have the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Pretty much everybody uses this cooler because it's pretty good. And yes, I did get the AM4 bracket mount because it just is not compatible with AM4 sockets right out of the box. So with this build, I went full on Team Red. Not only do I have a Ryzen CPU, I also have an AMD graphics card as well. This is the RX 580 Red Devil Golden Sample. It's a great mid-tier graphics card. It's right up there with the GTX 1066 gig. This one comes with 8 gigs of VRAM. So I gotta say right now, RX 580s are way overpriced. I got this one because I actually got a semi-decent price for it. And it also comes with FreeSync, which my monitor also supports FreeSync, so I'll be able to take advantage of that as well. So for the RAM, I got a 16 gig kit of G.Skill Rip jaws. It's DDR4, 3200 megahertz. And you really only need like 8 gigs for gaming, but 16 gigs will help with some like content creation as well. For the storage on this build, I have a 250 gig solid state drive. I'll be using this as my boot drive, putting Windows on here, some other basic programs I'm going to be using every day. And then for mass storage, I have a 1 terabyte WD Blue, pretty standard 1 terabyte hard drive. Should get the job done. For the case, I went with the Phanteks P400 tempered glass. I love the minimalist look on the front panel there, and the tempered glass is going to look beautiful when this build is finished. It comes with a LED strip that I can put up in the top, and I'm also going to be putting some red LED Asia Horse fans in there. So those are the parts I have to work with. Again, I'm super stoked to build this PC. I've never done it before, so do I know what I'm doing? Not really. Kind of. Am I going to buy it at some point? Probably. But we'll see. People always say building a PC is like basically adult Legos. So we'll see how it ends up going. And I'll post that video as well on this channel. If you like this video, remember to share, like, and subscribe. That always helps out. You can also catch me at Twitch at SurfBKD. I sometimes stream, not very consistently. I'm going to try to set up a schedule. We'll see. You can also catch me at Twitter at SurfBKD. Till next time, guys.